Hello, everyone. This is Sam with Innosearch AI, and welcome to video 3 of our Innosearch shopping tutorials. In this video, we'll walk you through the product page and how to use our proprietary AI. For those who want more information about a product prior to purchasing, you can click on the item to view the product page. On this page, you'll find all the same information that was listed on the product's listing page. So let's talk about those now. First, on the left, you'll see product images. If you're using a screen reader, your focus will jump to this automatically, and these will be navigable with the tab key. For each of these photos, you can use our AI to generate AI-generated image descriptions to provide a better understanding of the product. This automatically comes up as a suggestion as you tab through the images. After the images, you can see the product name, product description, and price. For items that come in different colors or sizes, you might find customization options such as colors, sizing, and quantity. Then below that, you have customer reviews where you can get feedback from other buyers. If you need additional information, at the bottom of the page, you'll find our powerful AI assistant, which acts as your personal shopper. Click the Ask Innosearch button and chat with our AI to get personalized answers about the product, compare it with similar items, receive image descriptions, and even summarize customer reviews. The AI pulls information from across the web to provide real-world feedback and product comparisons. Our customers love using it for checking size accuracy, finding alternative options, and more. It's extremely easy to use. Simply talk to it like you're sending a text to a friend, and in a matter of seconds, it'll send a detailed response back to you.
Chat with Innosearch conversation content your message. What colors does this come in? Innosearch latest reply. This Bluetooth speaker is available in the following colors: glossy black, night blue, pink, red, and teal. There is also an option for a 2-pack in black.
Be sure to check out our next video to learn more about our accessible user flow. Once again, this is Sam with Innosearch AI, and happy shopping.